called this is simultaneous equation in number base, and this is a WAEC and JAM question, so don't forget to watch to the end. So in this case we have 13 in base x plus 22 in base y is equals to 16 in base 10, equation 1. Then 32 in base x plus 12 in base y is equals to 22 in base 10. Let me show you how you can solve this in few minutes, okay? And let's say solution. So don't forget to find the value of x and y. And this is number based and simultaneous equation all together. Alright. So the first thing we are going to do is to expand it. When we expand it, we get the real question, the real equation. We are going to expand according to the power of their bases. Don't forget. Let's expand. For here now, from equation 1, this is 13 in base x, so we're going to expand according to base x. So in that case, we'll have this is 0, this is 1. So we'll have the first digit here is 1. 1 times x, which is the base. You expand by the power of the base, raised to power 1, plus this is 3. 3 times s to the power of 0. Okay, that's all. Now, plus from here, this is 0, this is 1. And this is base y, so we expand by the power of the base. So this will give us 2 times y to the power of 1 plus 2 times y to the power of 0 is equals to, now 16 in base 10 is 16. So don't forget about this trick I just taught you now. 16 in base 10 is 16. Any number in base 10 is the same thing. Don't expand any number in base 10. In case you have a longer digit, okay, so don't spend your time expanding any number in base 10. It's going to give you the same. So write 16. Therefore, x raised to the power 1 is x, x times 1 is x, plus 3 times x raised to the power 0 is 1. 8 raised to the power 0 is 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. Then plus y raised to the power 1 is y. 2 times y is 2y. Plus y raised to the power 0 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Is equals to 16. So therefore, you can collect like terms together. So this is 3 and this is 5, right? This is 3, this is 2. When we add them, we are getting 5. So we have s plus 2y is equals to, this is 16. So we'll now do 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5 is 11. So write 11. This is equation 1. This is the real equation, okay? Now the second one, we still expand. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. So from here we'll have 3 times s to the power of 1 plus 2 times s to the power of 0 plus 1 times y to the power of 1 plus 2 times y to the power of 0 is equals to 22. 22 in base 10 is also 22. So let's go faster. S raised to the power 1 is s, 3 times s is 3s plus s raised to the power 0 is 0 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus y raised to the power 1 is y, so y times 1 is y, plus y raised to the power 0 is 1, 2 times 1 is 2 is equals to 22. Therefore, this is 3x plus y. Now, from here, 2 plus 2 is 4. So we'll now do 22 minus 4. So we're going to have 22 minus 4 is going to give us 18. Now, this is 18. So that is all. This is our equation 2. Alright, so this is the first thing you need to do. So you can now start solving your simultaneous equation. So our equation 1 said x plus 2y is equals to 11 and 3x plus y is equals to 18. So how do we solve this? Let's just use elimination method. Elimination method will be faster. So because you want to use elimination, this is 3, this is 1. We'll multiply here by 3. Okay, so multiply here by 3 and here by 1, so that the coefficient is going to be the same. So that 3 times x will give us 3x. So write 3x plus 2 times y will give us 6y. And 3 times 11 will give us 33. So that's it. Let's close here. Bring down 3x plus y is equals to 18. And that is all. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is that this will cancel this because they are the same. We now do equation 1 minus equation 2. 6 minus y will give us 5. So we'll have 5y is equals to 33 minus 18. So let's do the subtraction here. 33 minus 18. I think that should give us 15. Let's check if it's correct. This is 13, right? 13 minus 8 is going to give us 5. And 2 minus 2 is 1. Sorry, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 15. So this will give us 15. Divide both sides by 5. And y is equals to 3. That is all. So we can now substitute for y in equation. You can use any equation you like. So let's use equation 1 here. So in equation 1, our equation 1 says 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. So we'll have 3x, no, not 3x, only x plus 2y. So we can't write 2y again because our y here is 3. So we'll have 2 times 3, which is 6. We'll write 6 is equals to 11. So therefore x is equals to 11 minus 6. And x is equals to 5. So that is the best way you can solve this problem. It means that x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 3. So that's the best way to solve this problem, and I'll see you in the next class.